you in the hood. Like I'm doing the hood. The only thing I wish, he probably think he could, but I don't think he should. Smoking barrels locked and loaded. Diamonds glowing, chop climbing on them. You think I'm jumping out the window? How I got them open. Line around the corner, line them up.